आंध्र प्रदेश के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने अमरावती की SRM यूनिवर्सिटी में मुनक्किदा ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन समिट में बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी शिरकत की। इस मौके पर चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने माहिरीन, मुहक्किकीन और तलबा से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि दुनिया को दरपेश ग्लोबल वार्मिंग जैसे बड़े खतरात का मुकाबला करने के लिए हमें माहौल दोस्त तवानाई ज़राए को अपनाना होगा।
These new innovations, ultimately how to reduce the cost of energy. Second angle, because of global warming, how to go for green energy. Once green energy, then time towards downstream industries. Storage, ammonia, ethanol, so many innovative ideas. So I am very happy to listen all of you. 2 days you are going to be here. We are having a clear policy. Even our Prime Minister is working in a big way. 500 gigawatt capacity on green energy. That is his mission with the downstream product also. What all you recommend? And then we'll start working in that direction. I am very happy as a planning Niti Aayog member has rightly mentioned. Andhra Pradesh will be hydrogen valley. I am assuring you that it will happen. Towards that, how to bring all technologies for convergence and innovations for convergence. Both will work it out. Every year, if necessary, we will review our performance also from now onwards. Benchmarking.